Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope that everyone is doing good. And in today's video I will review about the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid Serum, which you might have heard about everywhere. So in this video we will talk about whether it can make your skin look more beautiful, more young, more plump, and if it's even worth trying or not. So stay tuned. But like always, before we start, kindly hit the like and subscribe button to my channel to show support. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, what is the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5 serum? This is basically a water-based portion for our skin and contains different sizes of hyaluronic acid molecules from small to medium to big. Also, it contains another great thing, that is the next gen Aicha cross polymer. All of these basically makes our skin stay hydrated, not just on the outside, but it goes deep down in lots of layers. Also, it fights against wrinkles and makes us stay younger. And if you would like to know more about what is hyaluronic acid, then go to my video over here, click the link over here to know all about it. So now let's look at its packaging. So if you look at its packaging, then it comes in a simple white box like other stuff from the Ordinary, and with black lettering it's written the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5. So it's a no-nonsense thing. I've got it in 30 ml, which is a standard size, but it's also available in 60 ml. But I believe 30 ml is enough. It lasts for around 5 months easily for me. And if you look at the bottle, then the bottle is also very similar to other serums from the Ordinary. It comes in a dropper, in a dropper bottle, and it's very easy to take it out. Just have to squeeze this top part and it picks up the serum. Yeah, so easy peasy. So it's nothing fancy, which is quite fine. I'm pretty alright with it because I believe that what's inside it counts, right? So now let's look at its texture. So if you look at its texture, then it is very smooth. It's definitely like a thicker glycerine or semi-fluid glycerine, not thicker, and it's definitely thicker than other serums from the Ordinary that I have tried, but it's not that heavy. One thing that I have observed in this serum is that it gets absorbed by the skin really well and makes the skin very fresh and clean. The annoying part in it is that it is very sticky for the first few minutes, which irritates me a lot, but good thing that it goes away after a few seconds. So yeah, that's a good part. This is the thing that I have observed in the L'Oreal Paris serum as well, but the L'Oreal Paris serum is more thicker than this one. So yeah, this is better. So that's it as far as the texture is concerned. And now it's time for the fragrance test. No fragrance. And the Ordinary also claims that it is fragrance free, and yes, it is endorsed by Aicha that it is indeed fragrance free, which is a really good thing for people with acne prone and sensitive skin, or people who get irritated easily by fragrances. Yeah, so that's a great thing about it. But you know me, I love fragrances in skincare despite knowing the dangers, because it's so also relaxing for me. So overall till now it seems good. Now let's have a look at its ingredients. So this serum from the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5 contains a lot of good ingredients. First, it contains different molecules of hyaluronic acid, which basically forms a shield on our skin, a protective shield. Then it contains sodium hyaluronate, polymer, which is basically a fancy version of hyaluronic acid, and it creates a net on the skin, and this net actually holds more water than regular hyaluronic acid, so it keeps the skin hydrated for a longer period of time. Then we have panthenol in it, which basically calms the red or irritated skin and prevents our skin from getting any side effect from the two kinds of hyaluronic acid that was basically in it. And lastly, we have this special extract from red marine algae. This stuff helps the hyaluronic acid get into our skin better, and it makes the skincare product feel nicer on the skin. So this is all about the ingredients in this hyaluronic acid serum. Now to the most important question that a lot of people ask, which is better, the ordinary hyaluronic acid serum or the niacinamide serum? So first up is the niacinamide serum from the Ordinary. I literally love this stuff. It's been a game changer for my skin. And one of the reasons why I love it is because of its incredibly light texture, which absorbs like a dream in the skin. And when it comes to the hyaluronic acid serum, yes, it's a good serum, but when it comes to texture, no, it's a bit thicker than niacinamide serum. Also, the annoying part is that it sticks for the first few minutes, but yes, it does feel sticky, which is very irritating for me. So texture-wise, niacinamide wins. And when it comes to the effectiveness, the niacinamide serum is definitely the one serum that's made for acne prone sensitive skin, people with acne prone sensitive skin, because it targets acne, it targets acne marks and even skin tone. So yeah, this is our dream serum, literally. And also it targets signs of aging, but the acne parts more. When it comes to hyaluronic acid, it's definitely the kind of serum that makes our skin more soft. This is the serum that's made to make you look like a baby. So overall, both of these serums have their unique perks, and it definitely depends upon your skin goals. A niacinamide serum for that specific skin goals like acne marks or treating acne, and hyaluronic acid serum for a more youthful plump look. So you choose what's best for you. That's about it. Now let's have a look at it, whether we should go ahead and purchase this, the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid Serum, and if it's really a miracle ingredient. Let's have a look at it. So here we are in the end, trying to figure out whether we should spend our hard-earned money on the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid Serum or not. So in my opinion, it's always a good idea to invest in good quality skin care, and definitely the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid Serum is one such good investment. I believe one of the reason is because it's very mild and generally does not react with other moisturizers or serums that you use. And if you are not using any advanced, serums like retinoids or peptides, then great to use hyaluronic acid serum in your skin care routine. If you're using retinoids or peptides, then these are quite potent on their own, and you don't really need a hyaluronic acid serum. So yeah, but I would like to clear a misconception over here that a lot of times we hear in social media and media that hyaluronic acid serum is a miracle ingredient. So is it really a miracle ingredient? Well, the answer is no. It's just an ingredient that makes our skin stay hydrated. It literally draws moisture from our skin. And that is the reason you should always spray your face with a mist. Use hyaluronic acid on top of it, let it dry, and then lock it in with a moisturizer. This is the right way to use the hyaluronic acid serum. Alright, use 2-3 pumps of it. and that's it. Because if you don't do it, then your skin might get more dry. So overall, it's a serum that makes the skin fresh, plump, and also helps in the youthfulness of the skin. But if you are thinking that would, work on deep acne marks, deep wrinkles, then no, it won't work on it. Overall, very mild, and definitely use it if you want to prevent early signs of aging and if you are not using any retinoids or peptides. So this brings us to the end of our video. Do check out my blog and the pictures of hyaluronic acid serum on my website aichablogs.com. Until we meet again, take care of yourself. Love you guys and ciao.